Have you ever had jerk before and you think to yourself you don't want this taste to leave you, so you had to go back and cook it again? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing jerk wings. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So just a note, I went ahead already and washed and cleaned my chicken wings nicely, and of course I pat dried. I will then go ahead and add all of my seasoning, and of course I'm going to add some vegetable oil. And if you don't have vegetable oil, you can always go ahead and use some olive oil. Now, once I add the vegetable oil, I will go in, add some onion powder, and of course you can always go ahead and add some garlic powder. I will also add some seasoned salt, some chicken seasoning. Of course, I'm going to add some black pepper. And guys, if you have other seasoning at home that you want to add, remember, you can always go ahead and do so. I will also add some of my amazing jerk seasoning. And remember, you can get this amazing jerk seasoning at any local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to go ahead and check out the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. And you can always let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing recipe. I also went ahead and preheat my oven at 250 degrees. So basically, we're just going to go ahead and season this, then just going to pop it in the oven. Remember, you can always go ahead and have this with some amazing festival. You can have it with some Irish potato. You can even have it with rice. It's up to you what you want to do. And it's up to your family also what they like. So you guys can always go ahead and just, have a discussion among yourself with your family and just get to know what they want with this amazing wings. And you just serve it up with it. I will then go ahead and add the wings to the baking tray, and of course once I add the wings, I will then go ahead and pop it in the oven, give it roughly about 25 minutes. Then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like, because of course we're going to flip it over on the other side because we want it to be nicely cooked on all sides and also on the inside. So a known number of you might ask why I add the vegetable oil. No, the vegetable oil helps to keep the meat moist in the oven. And just to note, this is going to be open in the oven. We're not going to add any foil paper over it. So basically, it will keep moist and it won't dry out. And that is it. Looking all amazing already. Listen. The flavor was amazing. You have to try this one. So after 25 minutes, this is what my wings looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over on the other side, because of course we want the other side to be nicely cooked as well, and we want it to get that nice color. So once I flip it over on the other side, it's time to go ahead and pop it back in the oven, give it roughly another 20 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. I went ahead already and just make up a nice amazing gravy for this jerk. And of course, it was popping. So basically, the gravy consists of the same seasoning that I add to the chicken, some of the jerk seasoning. I add some water and some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, and just allow that to come to a boil. And this is what my wings looks like. So what we're going to do at this stage, we're just going to plate it up and of course, pour some of that gravy over it. And then I'll show you guys the final product. So stay tuned for all of that. And guys, this is it. The final product of my amazing oven jerk wings. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. We're on our way to 12K subscribers. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I can't wait to see you on Friday.